How to cancel booking in booking.com. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. So starting with this, you need to open up your booking.com application or just navigate to its webpage. You have to head over to your bookings to cancel your booking. That is very easy with a simple tap. Now, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the customer service or help center of your booking.com. Select on the cancellation, then tap on any of the article that is suitable for you. You will come across a fact that you can actually ask for a refund. However, the refund policy and the amount of refund actually depends upon your host. So communicate with your host and you will find all about a cancellation in the cancel section of your booking. When you tap on your bookings, you will find all of your active booking in the active section. To cancel your booking, all you can do is just go ahead and check out for the cancellation button. Once cancelled, you have to wait until for the host respond. You can easily contact via message or a call given at the bottom of the booking profile. And that is how you'll be able to easily cancel your booking in booking.com. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.